double-hull oil tanker, having sustained damage to the propeller and stern seal, was examined in dry dock, where it was found that extensive repairs were required and that they could not be carried out at that location. Working with ABS, the owners elected to have the ship towed to a suitable repair facility with approved technicians to effect repairs and minimize further damage and associated costs. The propeller and the shaft were removed to determine the extent of damage. All propeller blades were found damaged at various locations, including Zone A. Per ABS, the grinding of the damaged area was not accepted due to the loss of a section in an area of high stress. The propeller shaft was found scored. The aft stern tube bearing was damaged beyond repair due to emergency operation with contaminated lube oil. The rope guard halves were missing, and the aft stern tube seal housing was mechanically damaged. If the vessel proceeds under its own power to the repair yard in this condition, the damaged propeller blades may cause severe vibration. Operation of the propeller shaft with water-contaminated stern tube lube oil may result in damage and seizure of the stern tube bearing and propeller shaft. Subsequent loss of propulsion may lead to collision, grounding, and under emergency conditions, the sinking of the vessel resulting in loss of life, property, and damage to the environment. The owner's representative elected to replace the propeller and the tail shaft with certified spares from a series of sister vessels. The rope guards were fabricated and renewed. The aft stern tube bearing, forward and aft seal assemblies and liners were renewed with certified parts in attendance with the manufacturer's representative. The tail shaft jacking test, shaft alignment, and running in of stern tube bearing were carried out. A sea trial of the vessel was carried out and shafting system repairs were considered satisfactory. In this case, prompt and thorough action of the crew and subsequent advice of ABS prevented progressive damage and additional costs.